another day. It's actually unseasonably warm out here. It's about 48 degrees. It's not bad at all. It's actually pretty nice out. Anyway, got some new parts for the Jeep coming. And today we're going to work on the we got some more wallboard for the camper. So we're going to work on the camper stuff today. Stay tuned. So today we're going to work on cleaning this aluminum up. I think we're going to recover this in new vinyl wrap, but I need to get it cleaned up and ready, and then we can start. It's just about ready for reinstall. As you can see, it's kind of dented up, so we're going to try to get it straightened out. Well, I soldered a bunch of holes up on my skin for this. This is actually the very front skin of the camper, and I had a bunch of holes here, and I was able to solder them up. I have tried to solder on the outside, but man, that does not like to work. But if you get farther inboard, it's not too bad. Alright, this very nice piece of wood and this very nice piece of wood are going to be the back step for the back of the camper. I will show you this. This is this is roughed in, but this piece right here is a basically a foot locker for the bed area. So it'll have doors up here, open up, and you'll be able to put some small items in here. So I'm working on that today. Okay, here's the. It's pretty well set. This is almost exactly 2 hours to mill, cut the size. I haven't sanded it yet. This isn't sanded. It's just been planed, but it's like butter. Anyway, the bottom side is more Ipe. This is Ipe wood. A lot of people use it for decks. It holds up very well. Right now, these are just regular steel screws. I'll be replacing those with stainless screws, and we're gonna do some. We're gonna try to do some engraving here on the top, and I think it's gonna be pretty cool. But yeah, it turned out pretty well. Just another update. This is a corner shelf. This will be a small corner cabinet in the main bed area. So this side here and this side back here will be against the wall. This side up here will have a. This will be to the top. It's actually upside down, and then there'll be a door right here on it. Obviously this is the back step, but I'm using it for weight. And this piece right here is the wall board. This is the wall board. And then this right here is the front window frame. So I'm getting the front window frame fixed up so it's ready to go. And it actually, I had to bring it back over here and fix it because I had dropped it and broke an edge on it. So I had to refix it. So now I'm just waiting for the glue to dry. Then I can finish working working the wood, and then we'll be in good shape. All right, just an update on the camper. I got this piece trimmed. It's almost ready to be installed. It's got to be trimmed up just a little bit, but it's pretty close. Some of the wallboard has gotten adjusted. This piece of paneling up here, this piece is for that wall where the window is. Need to take the window out before I install it. The refrigerator hole. The refrigerator hole has been moved over from this to this. The newer fridge, which is just a 110 fridge, is going to fit in here. It's obviously smaller. It's from here to the top, up there. And then down here, there'll be the microwave. And I still have room for the water fill. I got to shorten this up just a little bit, but I'll have room for the water fill. And that will be good. Otherwise, haven't done a whole lot. Been working on the other components in the shop. That foot, a little cabinet. Both that square cabinet is going to fit right there underneath that window, and then this corner cabinet will fit right here. In this area will fit in that triangular corner cabinet will fit right there. So that's where they're designed to fit.